Alright guys, and welcome to today's video. So on today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to position for the MoonPay airdrop that everyone is literally talking about. Alright, so I welcome you to the video, and if you are new to my channel, have you ever subscribed yet, please kindly consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and turn on the post notification bell so that whenever I post the next update, you are going to be the first to know about it. Looking right here on my laptop screen, you can see I've already set up the Paybox account. I've already set up and I'm now positioned for the MoonPay airdrop. Alright, so looking over here guys, you can see on my ChatGPT I've set every single thing up. All this I'm going to be showing you right on this video. So all the necessary requirements are going to be right there on our Telegram. All right, so the link to our Telegram is going to be right there on the video description box. So all the requirements, and remember guys, looking over here on the announcement that they have made right here on their X account, they are actually talking about giving an airdrop today. Okay, so over here they say today we are going to feed CT. Now that is crypto Twitter. Literally, the CT stands for crypto Twitter, I think. Ahead of the festivity and official claim instruction, if you note, over 270,000 persons have used Paybox since launch, where they say that they say right here you will get what you are waiting for and you will get it today. Okay, so this is the update, and if you are interested in the MoonPay airdrop, do wait to watch the video till the end. I'm going to be showing you all you need to know starting right here on this video. So without wasting time guys, let me show you all you need to know right now concerning the MoonPay airdrop, and of course how you can be able to position yourself to be able to get the MoonPay airdrop. Okay, all right guys, so right here on my laptop, this is what we are going to be needing. You only need ChatGPT or Claude. All right, so for this tutorial I'm going to be using ChatGPT. Okay, so what you need to do is very simple, and let's now get started. So some of you are going to be looking for the setting button right here, which you are definitely not going to be seeing. To be able to find the setting button, just go ahead and come down here. You can see it down here. Go ahead and click on it. Then you come over here to setting. Coming over here to setting, first thing you need to do is to come over here to security and log in. Then you scroll down, you are going to be seeing developer mode right here. Go ahead and turn it on. Once you have turned it on, go ahead right now to plugins. You can see it up here. You go ahead and click on it, select browser plugins. Okay, so over here right now, scroll down, you come over here to this plus button up here. You click on it, and once you click on it, you have to name it. All right, so for this case we are going to be naming it, let's just name it Moon, so that we can be able to remember it. Then over here right now, you need to paste this connection, you need to paste URL right here. So for this URL, there is a piece of information which I've already dropped on our Telegram channel. Over here on our Telegram channel, this features all the necessary information that you have. I've already pasted it right there on our channel. Like they say right here, name it and paste this given link in the connection section. So I'll just go ahead and copy this link. Okay, now I will copy this link. Okay, I'll just go ahead and copy it. Now once I've copied it, then I will head back to ChatGPT. Then I'm gonna have to paste the link right here. Now that I've pasted the link, the next thing which I need to do is, of course, do I need to save this? I need to check this, I guess. Okay, now after that guys, I have to just go ahead and click on create, because from the instruction that they give right here, they say that we should, paste this link, then click on the connection option that will pop up to connect ChatGPT with Paybox, or click this link. So I will go ahead right now to click on the connection button that will pop up. There's no connection button right here. I guess I'll just go ahead and click on create. Okay, now clicking on create right now, you can see it's still creating. Let's just give it a little time to load up. Let's see what we're gonna have right there. Okay, I think something just popped up right now. Okay, you can see add Moon to ChatGPT. So we go ahead and click on sign in with Moon. Okay, now let's check the next option that they gave us. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, okay, click on the connection button that will pop up. After clicking on create your new Paybox account with Gmail. Okay, after clicking create on new payment, blah, 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 blah. Okay, we just go ahead and click on then. Okay, now let's go ahead right now. I guess I didn't miss anything. Okay, sign in with Moon. So it's loading up right now. Let's see what we are going to have right now. I'm trying to be very sure that we are not making any mistake. We have been brought right here. Let's see, sign into Paybox. I'll click on continue. Now I have to sign in with my Gmail. Okay, I will sign in with my Gmail, of course. Just bear with me. I believe you're understanding what the processes that I'm going through, because they are very, very important. Okay, let's see what we have right here. Okay, I'll go ahead and click on continue. Okay, add a passkey to continue, register passkey, paper process operation, revealing secret phrase. Okay, I guess I have to click on sign with passkey. Okay, protect your add a passkey to secure your wallet with Face ID, Touch ID, or device built-in authentication. Okay. To create this passkey, we go so verify it to. All right. Okay, just bear with me. This is very sensitive. What is happening right here is that they are trying to allow me to create a passkey which I will use to log in without having to reveal any of my sensitive information, and now they are asking me to enter the code of the phone that I'm using where that email is on. Okay, so I will click on next right now. Let's see if we are good to go. Okay, I think we are good to go. Okay, you can see I've now set this up and the passkey have been saved, and of course setting up your wallet. Your passkey is registered and ready to protect your wallet. I will click on done, and after that immediately you can see this is the next thing that we have right here. They have given us our wallet, and of course let me get this off. Okay, and of course this is it, the Solana wallet, and of course the EVM wallet. So I will click on next because I don't want to import my wallet. I will click on next right now, and of course right here this is my address that have popped up right here, and this of course I can send, I can receive, I can buy. I'll click on continue. Funds are important to get started on Paybox. Your agent need them to pay, swap, and trade. I will click on continue anyway. So right here it says when should this expire? I will click on never. I will click on okay. I will click on continue. Okay, what is my portfolio? Copy prompt. Make your first move. Paste this into the ChatGPT once you are connected and let it read your portfolio. Okay, I will copy this prompt and I will click on connect with ChatGPT. I will click on it for it to fetch API. One last thing. Okay, I should copy this right and paste it on my ChatGPT. Okay, you can see this right here. This is Moon. It's here. It's not here before. Let's just go ahead and of course, paste the prompt right here. The one you copy from there. Let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, let's see what is my Paybox portfolio. Let's see. You can see looking for available tool. I think we are now connected. We have connected the Paybox with our ChatGPT. Okay, see, currently right here it is 0 as it's showing right here. So now what is the next thing that we have to do? Okay, so from here, once we are connected, the next thing you have to do is to copy this link right here. Okay, we copy it. My bad. Okay, we go ahead and of course copy it. Now once you copy it and then click on the bottom left where you see the campaign. Okay, we have to open this link, right? I will open a new. Okay, I have to paste this link right here, then I have to search for it. Okay, let's see what we're gonna have right here. Sign into Paybox. I will click on okay, it just opened by itself. I didn't really press anything. So over here guys, you can see it detected automatically. Now let's see where we have the USDC campaign right here. It's supposed to be somewhere down here, right? But I'm not seeing it. All right, from the inquiries that I've seen people make, or the question that I've seen people make, they used to ask this question that they are not seeing it, but they end up getting answers like it will pop up at a random time, blah blah blah. So once you have gotten at this point, you have actually done enough already. You have you have gotten to a reasonable point right here, so you don't really need to worry about any other thing. So if there's any new updates, I'm definitely going to be letting you guys know immediately, but for now this is where I'm going to be stopping the video. So once you've gotten at this point, congratulations, because you're on the track. If any new update comes up, I'll be updating you guys as soon as possible. All right, so thank you so much for watching the video. If you find this video interesting, please do well to like this video and also subscribe. Share the video so that people out there will also get to position for this opportunity of getting USDC airdrop from Paybox or MoonPay. They are literally the same thing. All right, so thank you for watching, guys, and I'll be speaking to you on the next update that I'll be dropping very soon.